Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the another video. Okay, so now we are waiting for two different sort of updates. We are waiting for iOS 26.3 beta 2. Also, we are waiting for iOS 26.2.1. Although we know that iOS 26.3 beta 2 is definitely coming, but regarding the 26.2.1, we are not sure yet. Anyways, if I get into settings to check the update over here, as you can see, this is the iOS 26 developer beta profile and it is on 26.3 beta 1, and this is no beta profile over here and it is on 26.2. So if I go and check, and you can see there is no new update for now. Today is Tuesday, today is 6th of Jan, and still there is no new update. Definitely we can expect to see the update maybe same week, maybe 7 or 8 Jan, or maybe not these days, then maybe 12 or 13 Jan. But anyways, the purpose of this video is to discuss that which update is important for you guys. So whenever the update will out, which update you guys should install and which update you guys should ignore. So without any further delay, let's jump into this video and let's begin. Now, first of all, for the people who are already using 26.3 beta 1, like over here I'm using 26.3 beta 1 on this device. If you're already using this update, you definitely can install beta 2 when the beta 2 will come out. However, if you are facing battery life issues or bugs or anything like that, then you can also downgrade to 26.2 and update to 26.2.1 when that update will come out. That is for the people who are already on 26.3 beta 1. Now coming to the people who are on iOS 26.2 or maybe 26.0 or 26.1. If you are on 26.0 or 26.1, go and update to 26.2. 26.2 is a really good update. It's a really smooth, battery life is really good. Things are too nice. Like if you remember, in 26.1 we have a very bad lag that from home screen to from widget screen to home screen the phone lags. But as you can see, that is fixed with the 26.2. So if you are on older versions, go and update to 26.2. Now the people who are on 26.2 and waiting for the next update, maybe want to update to 26.3 beta 1 or beta 2, or want to update to 26.2.1, I will suggest you guys to stay on 26.2, and when the 26.2.1 will come out, go and update on 26.2.1. Now if you ask me, should you ignore 26.2.1 and get the beta update? See, beta updates are getting better, which is a nice thing, but at the end of the day, it is still beta. And I never recommend anyone to install beta on their primary device, although I am using beta on my primary device, but the purpose is different. Like I'm testing out so I can share my experience. So beta always contains bugs and it is not recommended for anyone to install on their primary device. So I will suggest you guys, like if you are on 26.2, wait for 26.2.1, then you update. Don't update to any beta. Now it's time to conclude this video, and I'm gonna wrap up in a quick word. If you are 26.3 beta 1 and things are going good, wait for the beta 2. If your things are not going good, you can downgrade. However, if you're 26.2 and you want a new update, wait for 26.2.1. And the users who are who are on 26.2, I will suggest you to ignore 26.3 beta 2 or beta 1, and when the 26.2.1 will come out, update on that. Now since both updates are not out yet, so we cannot talk much about them. Once the update will come out, definitely I will be making an updated video for you guys. For now, as you can see, no update is out. So yeah, just a small and simple video I want to do. I want to share that both updates are decent so far, and I've just shared that which update you should wait for. Anyways, that's all from this video. I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Until that, take care. Peace out.